If you're planning a trip to Purulia, consider Kushapalli Resort for a stay, although the charges are pretty high.
चलिए दौड़िए भागिए और तुरंत फॉलो कीजिए।
हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम, केम छो, कसा है पब्लिक, जोहार और कैसन बाड़ा रवा लोग। वेलकम टू पुरुलिया, a hidden gem in West Bengal where tribal culture, lush hills, and natural serenity create a truly immersive experience. In the heart of Ayodhya Hills lies Kushalpalli Resort, an expansive luxury retreat that beautifully blends heritage, nature, and comfort. So let's take you on a tour of one of Eastern India's most picturesque resorts. Kushalpalli Resort welcomes you with traditional tribal aesthetics and warm Bengali hospitality. From the intricate wall art to the terracotta decor, every element reflects the local culture. The reception is inviting and efficient, making your check-in smooth and pleasant. The resort offers a wide range of accommodation, including standard and deluxe rooms, royal cottages, and the ultra-luxurious presidential suites. All rooms feature king-size beds, flat-screen TVs, tea coffee station, minibar, air conditioning, and balconies with breathtaking hill views. The royal cottages come with a private set-out area, while the presidential suite include living areas and premium interiors. I must admit, it's gonna be a costly affair if you check into this particular resort. Room rates range from approximately 5,000 for standard rooms to 15,000 plus for the presidential suite per night, depending on the season and package inclusion. The resort features an infinity pool with panoramic views of the Ayodhya Hills. A full-service spa for Ayurvedic and modern therapies, and a dedicated adventure zone for the kids and families. From ziplining and boating to archery and nature walk, there is something for everyone. Evening tribal dance performances and bonfires offer a unique taste of Purulia's heritage. The in-house restaurant serves a variety of Indian, Chinese, and continental cuisine. Don't miss the authentic Bengali thali and freshly prepared tribal dishes unique to this region. Enjoy meals indoor or dine on the terrace overlooking the hills. Live music on select nights elevates the experience. The ambience at Kushalpalli is calm, luxurious, and deeply rooted in the natural and cultural heritage of Purulia. Whether it's a sunrise from your balcony or the aroma of forest blooms, every moment here is immersive. Service is impeccable. The staff is courteous, knowledgeable about the local culture, and always willing to go the extra mile. Housekeeping is prompt, and the front desk staff ensures all guest needs are met with a smile. Facilities are well maintained, and the overall upkeep of the resort reflects their commitment to the quality and comfort. Set amid dense forest and hill ranges, the resort is a gateway to exploring the untouchable beauty of Purulia. Nearby attraction includes the Marble Lake, Bamni Falls, and Charida Village, famous for its traditional chow masks. Nature lovers can indulge in bird watching, yoga session on the hilltop, and guided trek into the surrounding wilderness. Kushalpalli Resort is more than a weekend escape. It is a holistic experience. Whether you are looking for adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, this resort delivers with style, soul, and substance. Thank you everyone for joining me on this virtual tour. If you're planning a trip to Purulia, consider Kushalpalli Resort for a stay, although the charges are pretty high, but this resort offers luxury and locally inspired. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more destination reviews. Until next time, travel well, and yes, have no fear when Gapu is here. Bye-bye.